Hi everyone, with me Mr. IDP. In this video, we will be talking about hope and wish. How to use words hope and wish in sentences. And what is the difference, okay? You will get it later. Okay, let's see. Here I have written some examples and let's see at number 4. Okay, these two sentences is similar, okay, but it has different meaning. Okay, I hope it is rainy tomorrow. Okay, I hope it is rainy tomorrow. And here, I wish it would rain tomorrow. Okay, for this sentence, when we say I hope it is rainy tomorrow, it means that we haven't got the information about the weather, or the weather forecaster haven't told us, haven't informed us about the weather. Okay, so we can say I hope it is rainy tomorrow. It means that it might happen and there's a chance. Okay, there's a chance to be happen. All right, when we say this sentence, I wish it would rain tomorrow. So here we are talking about the opposite of the fact or unreal situation. So here maybe the weather forecaster have informed us about the weather tomorrow. Okay, that's why in these sentences, we don't use verb 1, but we use verb 2. Okay, past tense. Okay, but the meaning here is in present tense. When we say I wish it would rain tomorrow, it means that it will not rain tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so let's see the examples. Number 1 here, I hope you have an amazing vacation. When someone want to have a trip, or when someone want to have a vacation, you can say I hope you have an amazing vacation, or I hope you have a great holiday, etc. Number 2, I hope he can do it. Okay, once again, there is a chance that he here can do that. Okay, number 3, I hope you get a good job. Okay, so please notice here in these sentences we don't use word will. Okay, but the meaning of this sentence, I hope he can do it. Yeah, we hope he will able. Yeah, he will able to do it. But please remember, we don't use word will. Okay. Yeah, let's see here. I wish I could. Okay, I wish I could. As I told you before that we talk about the opposite. Okay, so the fact here that the subject I here, okay, can't, or he can't do that. Okay, when someone asks you to come to their party, okay, and you can attend that, you can say I wish I could. Okay, it means that you can't come to the party. Okay, you cannot come to the party. All right, number 2, I wish you were here. What is the fact of this sentence? Okay, the fact of this sentence, I'm sorry, yeah, so the fact here is she is not here now. Okay, the fact of the sentence number 2 is she is not here now. And number 3, I wish I could fly. Okay, so it means that I cannot fly. Okay, so please look at here. So in these sentences we talk about future or present situation. Okay, so let's see here past tense. Yeah, past tense. Number 1 here, I hope Mike got home safely. Okay, maybe yesterday our friend went home and we haven't known. Yeah, we haven't known if she got home safely or not. Also, we can say I hope Mike got home safely. All right, let's see when we use wish in past situation. Okay, I wish you had told me the truth. What does it means? Okay, it means that subject you here, you didn't told me the truth. Okay, so we can say I wish you had told me the truth. So here we use past perfect. Okay, all right. So the last one, specific context. Okay, in specific context we use wish here. In this situation we don't talking about unreal situation or the opposite of the fact. Okay, so this is specific contents. For example, here I wish you a happy birthday. Okay, I wish you a happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity in the